Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight Tools. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos, make more tool reviews. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button for more videos. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We stopped by here because we needed some supplies for the business. As you guys know, I do pest control, so I needed some supplies. First of all, I came here to the power tool section, see if they had any of the new brushless tools in stock. I don't know if you guys seen my video, but I did uploaded a video yesterday, I believe, about brushless tools, new power brushless tools. If you guys haven't seen that video for that scissors, those electric scissors, little saw, please check it out. It's a few videos back. So Toolhead 147 Warrior cutter. And yeah, we did see some gloves. I was very surprised. This is like the 4th or 5th Harbor Freight I walked into, and this is the first time I ever seen gloves. And I needed some of these gloves desperately. I'm usually extra large, but I'm gonna take the large because that's all they had. And I'm going to take 2 boxes. Same thing with these masks. I know these masks, they've been selling them everywhere. Since I was here, I just got them. But those masks have been selling everywhere. Pretty much all the grocery stores and the gas stations have them. The gloves, I just wanted those specifically because they're blue. I know they just look nice. I just didn't want the clear ones. That's just for my business. But yeah, if you guys see the pliers section, it's like super empty. Yeah, and then we got some towels here. I love these towels. This is the first time I see them in a long time, so I picked these up, just drying towels from Grant. I do recommend this. I gotta do a video review of this item. But yeah, this is definitely a great towel. And yeah, the clearance items is empty, which is weird because usually it's full and they're just empty. And these are the new lights that if you guys haven't seen my video. But yeah, I just did a new tool video on the website of Harbor Freight, and we did see these lights, and yeah, they're pretty bright. And I like this bottom selector knob or switch here. You can just dim it to whatever brightness you need it, and it's pretty much like the other one where you have that circle, and this is just like really powerful. It has 4 strips. Really nice light there. As you guys see, they're gone. Most of these lights are gone. They only have the ones that, well, they have just a small selection now. I guess with all this Rona thing going on, it's hard to get, I guess, shipments into the stores. All those stores are like bare, they just have some sort of percentage of actual capacity. And this is the garden tool section. That's a big battery there for the Atlas, the 80 volts and 40 volts. But yeah, this is the garden section, or the power tool garden section, whatever you want to call it. Really nice tools. I gotta say, Harbor Freight's grown a lot on this and other fields and bringing out quality tools. I gotta say the Atlas is a really nice tool. Mowers are nice, and Portland is always a budget-friendly, get it done type of thing within a budget. And those are the Mowers. And you guys haven't seen, there was a coupon out there for $3.69. You get a free battery and a free battery and a free charger for the mower, but it's already expired. You guys seen or used those multi-tool blades? Let me know if they're good, because I need to buy some. And obviously, I don't want to buy them if they're not good. Yeah, they had an Atlas string trimmer here, and they had a Bauer hammer drill, and then they have the jackhammer there. But yeah, it's weird how they have these items here at the middle of the store now, since they can't do like the parking lot sales without they have all the good sales. So now they have them in a table here, and everybody comes and just looks at them, and they can pick them up and take them. And this is something I haven't seen at the stores. I don't know if this is new or not. But yeah, it seems like these items are fairly new. And or they are relabeled, either or. Because I noticed that some of these tags and these items were different. We'll see if we can go to the other side. And I never seen this item either. So as you guys see, there's a black and blue tag. It's Hallmaster by Hallmaster. Same thing with the one on the top, as you guys see. So they might be a newer item and newer color tag, whatever you want to call it. And I still have to do the review on this one. I still need to come and pick it up. But yeah, for now, this is what I came for, just for supplies for the business, for my work. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos, please help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you get all the notifications. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.